Okay, so Wednesday, we're halfway through the week, and today we're looking at directed numbers again, and this time we're looking at them in graph form. So let's look at the first one here. So this graph here, and it's the locomotive express that travels above ground, above and below sea level on its daily journeys. And the graph shows the altitude of the 6 stations. Okay, so you have Spur, Maze, Burn, Pool, Hook, and Link. Okay, so again, you're just going to answer these questions based on this graph. So which station is at the highest altitude? So if we're talking about highest altitude, it's the ones above sea level, and the lowest altitude is below sea level. Okay, which station is at the lowest altitude? How many higher is Spur station than Link station? So here's Spur station. You can see it's how many meters above? It's 45 meters above. And Link station then is here and it's 35 meters above. So what's the difference between those two? How much higher is Burn station than Hook station? Okay, so find Burn station and Hook station. So again, remember, even though, so we're talking from 0 here. Okay, so Burn station is just -5, so it's just 5 meters below sea level, whereas Hook is 25 meters below sea level. Okay, so that's lower down. That's more underground than this one is. So this is deeper underground than this one. So how much deeper underground is Hook station to Burn station, or how much lower than below sea level is Hook station in comparison to Burn station? Okay, so you just count the difference between -5 and 25, and you can just use the blocks here if you want. Make it nice and easy for you. How much higher is Maze station than Burn station? Again, so Maze station is here, Burn station is here. Okay, so this is 20 meters above, this is 5 meters below. So what's the difference? How many meters of a difference between those two? How many meters does the train descend as it travels from the highest station to the lowest station? So if something is descending, it's going down. So the highest station, we can see here looking at the graph, that the highest station is Spur. At the lowest station is Pool. So what's the difference between this and this? If it's easier for you, count each block. Okay, each block is 5 meters. So count each of those and you'll know the difference between the two. And what's the average altitude of the stations? So we've done average a lot. So you know then, so you just add up the 6 stations, okay? And then you add them up and then you divide it by 6. Okay, so that's how you find your average. Okay, your second graph then. So Ken's Kipper Company has been having its ups and downs. Some months it made a profit and some months it's made a loss. Okay, so the yellow is the profit and the red is the loss, is when he made a loss. And you can see over here the amount of money that he lost and the amount of money that he made in those months. Okay, quickly we'll go through these. In which month shows the greatest profit? So you can see over here, profit is yellow. So which month did he do the best in? So you can see the one where he got on, made his most money, most profit. Which month shows the greatest loss? Again, so the loss is red. So which one is the greatest loss? How much money did Ken make in how much more money did Ken make in February than May? Okay, so February, he made he made €350 profit, and in May he made €300. So what was the difference between those 2 months? How much more money did Ken make in March than in January? So find out how much he made in March, how much he made in January, and then subtract the 2. Okay, you can see March here, January here, subtract the 2. What's the difference between profit in June and loss in July? So again, if it makes it easier for you, so each of these blocks is worth €50. So here we have two blocks, 2 lines, so that's €100. And July, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, that's €200. So what's the difference between profit in June and loss in July. So if you start here and count down each €50 all the way down to July, that'll tell you the answer there. How much more money did Ken lose in August than in September? Okay, so look at August, look at September. So this is loss. So here he lost €200 in July. In August he lost €400. In September he lost €150, and in October he lost €50. Okay, all these were profit. He made money. So how much more did he lose in August than in September? So he lost €400 here that month. He lost €150 in that month. So what was the difference between the two? During which month did Ken break even? So break even is that all his expenditure, everything he paid out and everything he made cancelled themselves out. So he just came home with the same money he had at the start of the month. So which month was he at zero? What was Ken's total profit for the months the company made money? So all the yellow ones is profit. So when he made money, it was all the yellow ones. So just count all those and add them up. And what was Ken's total loss for the months the company lost money? All the red ones, you add them all up and you'll find out how much money he lost in those months. Okay, I'll talk to you again tomorrow with more maths. Okay, bye-bye.